Hello guys. Today I will do video session with Mr. Het Patel, my beloved husband. Today we will do
Yes.
who's most likely to couple edition on so much demand from my subscribers. So finally I am doing this, and finally Mr. Het got time for this session, and again I have convinced him for that. Okay. So I will ask question and Hit will answer it. Let's see. First question. Who is most likely to give all their money to charity?
Always me.
Yeah, I agree with it because
Yeah.
he's like Karna. Yeah, like whenever we go out and some guy or some old lady come to our car, he always, not even single time he missed it, he always give rupees to them. Okay, next question. Who's
Yes.
most likely to ready to sleep anywhere?
You.
No, not me. I knew it. You would answer this. Not me. You can sleep everywhere, anywhere. Even though we are talking on video call, I'm just
Never,
talking and
never,
talking and
never,
talking.
never.
No, I'm just talking and talking, and he's sleeping in video call.
No,
It's you,
never.
not me.
Okay.
Who's most likely to be a world traveler?
Both of us?
Yeah, perfect. I proud of you.
Thanks.
We are both love traveling and we both want to travel the world together, right? Together.
Yeah. And you are traveling alone.
Exceptional cases.
No, no, no.
Okay. Who is most likely to start their own business?
No one has started yet.
But who is most likely to?
Both of us.
Yeah, I can say that both of us. But I would
Yeah.
say you because you have more passion for
Yeah.
starting your own business. You hate 9 to 5 job, right?
Nah,
Not hate,
not at all.
but you prefer your own
Not at
business
all.
compared to 9 to 5 job.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's most likely to live in a big city?
Me?
Yeah, obviously, guys. He loves to live in a big crowded city, but I prefer nature surrounded area. Like, even though in Melbourne, he wants to live in CBD in future, but I want to buy a house in calmer area, like in release. Why are you laughing?
My rules, my life.
Okay, your rules, your life, but eventually we are going to buy house according to my rules.
Okay, let's see what
Okay.
happened.
Yeah, we'll see where we will buy house. It's
Yeah.
still so much time to that.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is most likely to forget to text back?
Always you.
No, it's always you. Stop
You
lying.
you always sleep before texting me.
No, you always
Yeah.
sleep.
Nah, nah.
Before texting me, you always sleep. I always wait for your text, like where is Hate, what is Hate doing, and everything. But you never text me. You always forget that.
Nah, nah, nah.
No, 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 no. Okay. Who is most likely to wake up first in the morning?
Me?
Yeah,
You are sleepy
obviously.
person.
I'm a sleepyhead, not
Yeah.
a morning person. Always when we are together, wakes up at 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock,
Yeah,
and
6
he
or 7.
disturb. Yeah, 6 or 7, and he disturb my sleep as well. Whenever he wake
Never.
up, he start using
I
his
never
phone and
disturb you.
scrolling.
I
No,
never disturb you.
you start using your phone and scrolling reels, so my sleep would be disturbed.
Okay.
I think you should say sorry for that every day. I'm waiting
For what reason?
for disturbing my sleep.
Nah, never.
Nah, never. Who's most likely to takes longer to get ready?
Maybe me.
Yeah, always. Even though he's waking up early, like wakes up early in the morning, still he takes so many time to get ready. I wakes up late and then I take shower, wash my hair, get ready, put all the moisturizer and all thing. Still, he is taking bath. Always late.
Yeah.
Okay. So, who's most likely to be the messiest?
No one.
Yeah, we are both organized. Like we need our thing in proper way, and in our room, we both need proper room with clean bed sheet and proper stuff on their place. Yeah, we are both organized. Who is most likely to spend more money?
Me.
Yeah,
I love
you.
I love to spend more money
Hmm?
because I love to earn also.
Yeah, that's true. But he is compulsive shopper. Yeah, even though he doesn't need anything in current time, he will still buy that thing. He buys for me as well, not for himself only. He loves to buy things for me. Even though I'm not there, he's buying things there for me. He's like, whenever you come here, you use this. Whenever you come here,
Yeah.
you use this. Yeah, so he spends more money. Who is most likely to take longer showers? Obviously, he.
You.
No,
You.
you. You take more longer showers.
I never took more than 10 minutes.
Oh, that's why I think like, what is the smell coming from?
Never.
Who's most likely to has the best taste in decorating?
You.
Decorating?
Yeah, I don't like to decorate.
No, I mean decorating means house and everything like interior.
Okay, that's my choice.
Yeah, I was thinking that why me? I have bad taste in interior and all. Guys, Heath has the best taste in decorating because even though in here in India he choose everything for house. I like his taste. Obviously, look at me. His taste is better than me, and look at my taste. Accept it.
No, 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 no.
I agree, Heath. Your
No,
taste is better. I agree with you.
no, no, no.
Okay. Who is more romantic?
You.
Yeah, me. He's kind of dull. He's not romantic at
I'm
all.
not dull. I'm not dull.
But
I'm not romantic as much you.
yeah, I'm more romantic in our relationship. I need things like spicing up all the things, and I don't like boring kind of relationship. So I'm more romantic.
Okay, so that's why you are fighting always with me.
No, romantic does not mean fighting with partner. Romantic means
Okay.
talking sweet things, talking about relationship, giving surprises, giving gifts, giving cute nicknames,
I
and
know, I
all.
know.
Yeah. Who is most likely to steal something from a hotel room?
You.
Yeah. Guys, whenever we go out, I always took something from hotel like shower gel, brush, and
And
traveling
I hate it.
kit.
I hate it.
Yeah, and he hates it. Literally, he hates it. He always tell me, "Don't take this. Don't take this. It's not good. It's not a good manner. You are doing a wrong thing." But I always took behind his back. He get to know it. He gets to know it whenever we come home and open our bag, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because he owns the hotel and he knows like what do you feel for that person who steal things from hotels, right?
No, that's not good etiquette.
Yeah, not good at kids, but I will still do this. Obviously, everyone do that.
No one is doing.
Nah. No, everyone does that. You tell me, guys, if you guys took like take things from hotel or not. I do that, but you guys also doing it. I know. Okay, comment it. He's exceptional cases. Ignore him. Okay. Who is most likely to get better grades in school?
Always me. I am the scholar one.
Yeah, in school. Actually, we
Till high
both.
school, till high school, I got better grades than you. Some more
No, it's
comparison.
just a difference
Yeah.
about 2 or 3 grades. Not
No,
that
no, no,
much.
no, no.
Okay, so we are same.
You
We are
can
similar.
you can see the major difference.
How come major difference? You are
Yeah.
ahead of me only by 3 or 2 grades.
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
By
Okay,
10 or
so tell me
15%.
who gets the better grades in college? Now you tell
That
me.
doesn't matter. That
No,
doesn't
that
matter.
does
You
matter. No, 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 no. You tell me. You give me the
you
answer.
you ask me for the school, not for
Okay, now
college.
I am asking for college. Now give the answer.
I don't know.
No, I don't know because you had bad college grades. That's why.
That's why I'm in Australia.
Oh, stop doing this, okay? Stop playing your cards. Okay. Who is most likely to get sunburn?
You.
Yeah, guys. We went to Maldives, and you should have looked at me on the time. I was wearing brown t-shirt, and my all body color was brown because I
Matching
got.
with your clothes.
Yeah,
Your
I was matching with my clothes, and he was making fun of me all the way here. And for 2 weeks, he makes fun of me because I got very bad tanning. I turned it pure brown colored Jano.
yeah, after using sunscreen.
Even though I was using so much of sunscreen, I'm so jealous of him because he never get tan. Okay, who is most likely to has a better sense of style?
Me? You can see photos.
I cannot even disagree with this. He has better sense of style. Even in my clothes as well. He whenever he choose my clothes, it's always looking good on me.
Yeah.
Actually, I also have better sense,
Because
but
my choice is better than yours.
obviously, look at me. How many times I will have to say this? Obviously, your choice is better. I agree. But in clothes, he has good taste. I agree with that.
Yeah.
I have also good taste, but compared to me, he is better. So, who is most likely to snore the loudest?
You. I
You!
never
How
snore.
come it's me?
I
It's
never
you.
snore.
He snores at night, at midnight, and always disturb my sleep as well. Always.
Yeah.
We should do something about that. Who's always right?
You.
Yeah, obviously. Who is most likely to surprise the other with a gift?
Me.
Huh?
Yeah.
You meant that I never gave you surprise with a gift?
Now you are giving me gifts as well, but I'm giving more surprises than you.
No, I think I gave you more surprises.
Okay.
Okay,
You
you are
you
so innocent. You are very innocent. Okay.
I agree
Then
with you.
they
I
will
agree
comment
with
that
you.
no. Then they will comment that you are more dominating kind of person in your relationship. I am not,
You
guys.
are,
I'm
you
so
are, you
innocent. He's
are,
just pretending to be
you
innocent.
are, you
No,
are.
don't say that. I'm innocent. He's just pretending. Okay. Who is most likely to fall asleep first?
Me.
Don't disagree with this, okay? You
Me.
fall.
I say me.
Ah. You always sleep first, and
Within
I
five
need.
minutes.
Yeah, not even 5 minutes, in 2 minutes only.
Maybe sometime.
Yeah, and I need 30 to 25 minutes to fall asleep because I don't know, I cannot sleep early. Okay, who is most likely to be a daredevil?
Me?
How come you?
Yeah.
No, you even denied to go to Imagika Adventure Park.
I never denied.
You never denied. Why? You denied it. That's why we didn't go there.
I never denied.
Still, I am a daredevil. Okay, I like more kind of thrill things. You show it, right, guys? Remember that river rafting video? You would
I
never
was
do
not
that.
there. I was not there. Otherwise,
But
I will.
even though you were there, you would never
No, no,
do
no,
that.
no,
It was
no.
very risky. So you
Never.
are saying that you will sit with me in roller coaster ride.
Yeah.
We will see. Okay, don't
Okay.
lie. I will make you sit forcefully, even though
For
you
sure.
don't want to.
For sure.
And we will do all the activities. Okay,
Okay.
just because you want to do that skydiving thing doesn't mean you are a daredevil.
That's what I like to
Yeah,
do.
but you only like that. Daredevil means you like to do every thrill activity.
I do like every thrill activities.
Okay, we haven't gone any place like this, so I don't know. But we will see if you are a daredevil or not.
Okay.
Actually, you are a daredevil. That's why you chose to marry me,
Yeah.
right? It's a challenge.
Correct. Correct.
Correct. Then look at your smile. Correct. Actually, it's a thrill to live with me regularly.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. That's it for today. Done with all the question. Is there anything you want to tell to audience?
Please subscribe my wife's channel and watch every videos without
And
skipping ads.
that's the main part. Okay, guys. So, is there anything else you would like to watch? You can comment in comment box.
No.
What? No. See, guys, I have to convince him every time. You comment it in box to convince him. Okay, it's very hard for me to do it alone. So you guys also help me to convince him. And
No.
comment anything you want to see, like us together, like this video call session or anything. There are other challenges as well, question answer challenge. If you want to, you can just comment all the questions. We will try to make it. Okay? Right, Hit?
No.
What? No, you said I am always right. Why are you denying it?
My life, my rules.
Guys, bash him.
कुछ भी.
Yeah. So okay guys, we'll see you in next vlog. Bye bye. Hit.
Thanks.
Bye
Thanks for
bye.
inviting me.
Always pleasure. Okay. Say bye bye to everyone. Okay guys. Bye bye.
Bye.